Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, taking a look at a pair of hybrid active noise canceling headphones with microphone. So these were sent out to me by my man Jay Will. They were part of a box of goodies that he sent me. So I appreciate Jay sending these over for me to enjoy, and I'm going to make a video on them and talk about tell you guys what I think of them. So these are by Treblab. These are the Treblab Z7 Pros. Now you can pick these up on Amazon.com, price $159.97 right now. I'll drop that link in the description if you guys want to pick these up. So a few of the features and details. These are hybrid ANC headphones. These have 6 built-in microphones, up to 45 hours of playtime. These feature quick charge as well. You can charge these for 20 minutes and get up to 5 hours of playtime. These have touch control, on-ear detection, meaning if you take these off your ears, they're going to stop playing. When you put them back on, they're going to start playing again. These feature protein leather with memory, hands-free calling as well. These feature transparent mode, and I talked about this already, the hybrid digital active noise canceling, and the 6 microphones as well. You're going to feel the goosebumps from the real resolution audio. These feature balanced EQ, Qualcomm aptX HD technology, and these have advanced 40mm drivers, so they should sound pretty good. And then you got your controls right here. So you got volume control, play and pause, next, previous, calls, ambient aware, and voice assistant. As you guys see, these you swipe across and up and down and across on these for your touch controls. So like I said, I will leave the link in the description if you guys want to pick these up. So here's the nice packaging that it comes in. As you guys see, Treblab Z7 Pro wireless ANC headphones. Now, I've never used these. I do have Treblab speakers before they sent out to me, but I don't think they've ever sent out any of the headphones. So on the back, you guys see it has a 1-year warranty. Most of the stuff I've already read off. You got multi-point connection. Let's see what else we got here that I didn't. You're going to have your voice assistant for Siri, Google Voice support as well. And then you got the 3.5 aux cable included. So let's go ahead and get in the box and check these out. And my knife is still holding on, guys. I told you I wasn't going to replace it until it completely falls apart. And that could be any day now. So let's get this open. So a nice looking box here. And let's see here. So this looks good. Very nice presentation here from the beginning here, as you guys can see. So over here, you got a little Treblab branding there. We're going to have a sticker. Right here, you're going to have your quick start guide. And then you're going to have your user's manual. So all of that is in there to get you started. And in case you need some instructions, they are there. And then here's the nice carrying case here, hardback carrying case, which is nice, man, to have this to store these in. You guys see you got the Treblab branding there. Nice hard case. Let's go ahead and get into it and see what we got in here. So beautiful presentation so far. So inside you're going to have your headphones here, and these they're black, but this looks kind of gray to me. I mean, I have trouble seeing things, colors as they are sometimes. You got a nice pouch over here to carry your accessories, and the included are, so you got a USB to Type-C charging cable, not very long, and then you got your 3.5 aux cable right here as well. So nice to see that included. All right, guys, so let's take a look at the headphones. So here they are. These are made out of plastic. Very nice feeling in the hand. It has some type of, this feels like leather right here. You got where you can adjust these to your head, make sure that they fit. You got a little bit of branding up here, Treblab branding right there. Got a nice padded area up here. And on this side, now the touch controls, you got some Treblab branding right here. The touch controls are going to be on your right side. These are marked left and right there. So your touch is going to be over here. You're going to swipe up and down and side to side and then in the middle. So they got this nice swivel here. This padding is very nice. This is that leather with the memory inside of it. And it's very nice, man. Very nice feeling. They have a grayish color look to me, but like I said, sometimes I have a problem seeing colors. So these are going to be very nice. They don't feel too tight like this as well. And let's take a look at the buttons here, layout. So you got your active noise cancellation here. I think you can activate your ambient sound, turn everything off. And with that button, you got your power button here, your Bluetooth button. Let me get the little pamphlet out so I know exactly what all of these are for. So on this piece of paper, it's going to tell you everything you need to do, like going to your next track, answering a phone call, and things of that nature. That's all in that on that pamphlet. But to get to the button layout here, okay, so here we are. This is what I wanted. So you got your active noise canceling button there, your power button, your Bluetooth button, your status indicator right here. That's going to be that. You got your 3.5 millimeter aux cable in, and then you got your main microphone. That's going to be that one. And then on this ear cup here, you're going to have your Type-C charging port and your charging LED indicator there. And then on your right cup, which is going to be this one, you're going to have a ENC microphone, and then you're going to have your ANC microphone right there. And then you got your controls over here on your right side. All right, guys, so we're back in. I brought the Beast in, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. We're going to go ahead and get this paired up to the Z Fold 3. Let's go into Bluetooth. See if we got any power. Power button, holding down the power button. All right, so there's a blue light, and it's flashing blue and green. I'm going to assume that that is pairing mode. Let's go over here to the Z Fold 3 and see if we can detect something here. All right, so I had an audible come from the headphones, and there they are. They showed up, Treblab Z7 Pro. Let's go ahead and get these paired up. Pairing request, we're going to go ahead and pair. And let's go back into the settings here and see what all we can see with these. I didn't see an app either. I don't know if they have an app for this or not. So paired up, connected for calls and audio. Battery life is at 90%. You click in, you can toggle on calls and audio. You can rename, disconnect, and unpair. As you guys see, it has the name up there. So we are ready to go. I have a green light. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and try these out, and I'll come back and let you guys know what I think about them. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have used these for over an hour with my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, and they're great, man. They got some really great sound coming from them. Now, I do wish they had a app where I could go in and adjust the volumes as far as the bass, the mids, and the highs. I did a little comparison with my Soundcore Q30s, which are the only other headphones that I have that are like these over ear. And in comparison, the Soundcore has the equalizer app. They have a little bit more bass to me, the Soundcore do. The ear cups on the Z7 Pros are a little bit more comfortable to me, and these fit over my ear a little bit better as well. The Soundcore sound great, and these are great as well. You get some, this has what they call the balance EQ built in, and it does a pretty good job balancing out everything. The mids, the highs, and everything sound great. Like I said, I'm not an audiophile, so this is just my opinion. But the Soundcore has a little bit more bass. These have bass, but not as much. And I think the Soundcores go a little bit louder. But overall, these were more comfortable. The protein leather was softer, and it felt better on my ears than the Soundcore. So they felt very comfortable, during the whole hour that I was using them. I did plug in with the cable to my Microsoft Surface Go 3, and it worked great with the wire, the aux cable plugged in. I did use these with my MacBook Air M1 and watched a part of a video on that, and there was no latency at all. Now, like I said, the bass, the mids, and the highs were great. The controls, using them on the headphones, are very easy. What I like about these, in comparison to the sound cores, you got your controls on different headphones, ear cups here, whereas everything here is on one side, even your touch controls. So that's a nice touch right there. The transparency mode works great. I had to turn off active noise canceling to hear my wife. Active noise canceling is great on these. So the transparency mode works great also. So both of them are nice. You can turn both of them off, or you can have one or the other on, which is great. Now let me let you guys see the part of the video where I talk about the touch controls. All right, guys, so let's check out the touch controls on here. So it is paused right now. I'm going to tap it one time and get it to play. So there it is. You guys see it started playing. So I'm going to swipe up, bring the volume up. You guys see the volume is going up. I'll swipe back down, lower the volume. I'm going to skip to the next track by swiping across. That's the next track. Let's go ahead and swipe again. I'm going to bring the volume up. And I'm going to pause it. And that's paused. So touch controls work great for me. Also, guys, the on-ear detection works great on this. As long as you have it on your ear, as soon as you take it off, it's going to stop the track from playing. Just like that. I only took one side off and it stopped. Put it back on. It's going to start playing. So a great feature. I like this as well. All right, guys. So as you guys see, the touch controls, I didn't have any issue with those. And also the on-ear detection was great. No issue with that. As soon as you take them off, they stop playing. As soon as you put them back on, they start playing. So these are great, man. I'm not, like I said, I've repeated this a couple of times. I'm not an audiophile, but these are great. I like these. I'm glad that I have these added to my small little collection here. So that's my look at the Treblab Z7 Pro wireless headphones. Again, big shout out to J Will for sending these over for me. I'm Will. This is Will's Gadgets and More. I'm out.